Hello friends, Running Kimono here. I am super hyper third coffee, and we have a Dollar General clearance event that's starting on Friday the 12th, going Saturday the 13th, and ending on the 14th. So those 3 dates. I recommend to go shopping on Friday the 12th because everybody and their grandmother tends to go out to this sale. Definitely check IBOTTA, coupons.com for extra rebates. All the apps, check, and definitely scout your store right away and load those digital coupons today. Do not wait. As everybody's going to be wanting to shop and participate in the sale, that app might crash. As a bunch of stores have been remodeled, blah, 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 you get 3 receipts and all that stuff and updated stores. Definitely, if your digital coupons are not coming off, don't be shy to return said items. And this sale will be coast to coast, all of the United States. Now, scouting means go to your local Dollar General, see what they have staged at the front of the store on tables in the clearance section. Is this worth your time? Yes or no? And look at the detergent on this shelf. Like, this is Candyland. As I stated earlier, these new updated stores, especially the registers without a keypad, it's just touchscreen. Sometimes the digital coupons are not coming off. I even experienced that the last clearance event. So don't be shy to return said item if digital coupons are not coming off. This is extreme couponing. It's not shopping for sales. Extreme couponing, we want freebies and cheapies. This video is going to be super fast paced. So if you have to grab a bunch of screenshots, sorry guys, we just have so much material to go through. I mean, look at this shelf. I mean, it's going to break. It's so full of detergent. If I could please ask a huge kindness, if you could like this video, I would be so grateful. Let's get this video to 2,000. Let's see if we can get there by Wednesday. So during the 3 days, guys, items that are on clearance, there'll be an additional 50% off, and that's why so many of us go really hard on this event. As a quick example, if you want to throw this video on a television screen, open up the Dollar General app, you're going to see the math that I'm talking about. If you scan this barcode right now for the Viva paper towel, it's $2, but on May the 12th, it's going to be $1. So that's 50% off, and this is the merchandise I love to look for. And you have to do this in store. You can't make a big order through the app and try and hope and pray it works. And the turnover for this will probably be at 5 o'clock in the morning on the 12th. That's when you're going to see the price changes in the app. Okay, if you don't know how to use the Dollar General app, I will link this video at the very end. Very easy video, how to use the scanner. As the week progresses, expect to see some signage at your store. And then we're also going to be looking for these orange stickers, which are called POG. They may be around, they might not be around, or everything might be in the clearance section or at a table at the front of your store. However you shake it or bake it, it's just amazing savings. The last sale that we had was in March. We've only had one so far this year, and I got this whole table for like $30, which was absolutely crazy. And when you can line stuff up with digital coupons and get like so many items for cheap or free, that's the magic of the sale. And look at this receipt from the last one. I got an Airwick starter kit and an oil for 15 cents. I mean, this is the sort of stuff as the weekend progresses, we're going to line up and it's going to be magical. The first group of items, we're going to be looking at household products specifically. I've already taken the liberties to take the math, divide it by half, and subtract the digital coupons if they are applicable. So hopping right into it, we have the Snuggle Super Care scent beads, subtracting the $1.25 digital. That's going to be $1 starting on Friday, which is outstanding. Have some Finish tabs at 50% off and subtracting the $1.50 digital, 72 cents. My favorite, and nobody was buying these last time, at 50% off using that 50-cent digital, it should shake out to 70 cents. And the Unstoppable beads, subtracting that $3 digital for $2.82, and we have 2 different flavors. If Dreft is more your speed, subtracting that 3 off digital coupon, it would be $1.92. Unfortunately, I can't print any coupons from P&G Good every day. Something wrong with my computer and that site. I know there's $1 printable for this. It would make it $3.70, but if you don't have it, it would be $4.70. And then with the $3 digital for this big gain, it would be $4.17. Using that same digital coupon, $4.17 for the flings. Tons of detergent in this clearance event. We also have this larger Tide Pod for $4.97. This one store I visited, it was like detergent alley. Unfortunately, digital coupons are not attaching with the Tide Simply that I found, but it's still at $1.57. I don't think that's anything to sneeze at. And we also have the Simply Pods. An employee told me that they're discontinuing a lot of this stuff, or they'll no longer carry it at Dollar General. So that's why it's on the clearance floor. And we have this gain for $3.37. As the week progresses, also, guys, there might be some digital coupons for some of these items, so double, triple check Thursday if some stuff pops up. We have the Lysol laundry for $2.92. That looks like an interesting product. We have two different Arm & Hammers, one for $2.85 and one for $4.50. At 75 loads, that is not a bad little dealio. We also have the Suavitel with the 50-cent digital for $1.30 starting on Friday. And then also these dryer sheets, a bit rich for this girl at $2.75, but it's 185 sheets. You tell me if that's a good deal or not. I would pass on it. And we have this powdered detergent Ariel for $2.70. I have never purchased that. I might have to pick up a bag and see what it's all about. And then we have the big mama of the Tide for $9.67. That's expensive. And then we have more powdered detergent. We have the Gain for $7.65. If you can print from P&G Good, I mean, make it happen. There might be printables for these. And $5.50 for the smaller one, which is an 80 loader. Now let's talk about some paper products. The Scott Rapid Dissolving for $4.50. Half of that with the dollar digital coupon. We're looking at $1.25 starting on Friday. We also have the Angel Soft Ultra, subtracting the dollar digital. It's going to be $1.80 for 6 mega rolls. I think that's a solid deal. And this little Charmin family toilet paper, we have a 50-cent digital, $2.17. Not too bad. I know a lot of people would be excited for this. We have these Brawnies 4-pack for $4.02. Here is the UPC. And we also have the dollar Vivas. Garbage bags, $2.97. I think there's a $1.50 printable somewhere. Maybe even with coupons.com, there might be a rebate. So definitely, if you are one of these people that use internet printables, I know that at my Dollar General, you could never use an internet printable, but there might be some floating around. And we have these Snuggle beads for $4.75. There's also a blue one too as well, guys. And then my favorite, the Clorox laundry sanitizer for $2.92 or $2.35. If I get some overage, I want to buy all of those laundry sanitizers. We have the all for $2.40. Unfortunately, no digitals attaching at this moment. And then we have some very cheap dryer sheets for 90 cents. I definitely would love to get a bunch of these so I can, run off and marry all of them. And then we have the Tide Pods for $4.47. I hope a digital coupon shows up for this guy. And we have the Microban for $1.70 with the digital coupon. So this is the sanitization spray. Hopefully I said that right. We have the Soft Scrub for $1.67 and the Liquid Plumber for $2.47. Meat potato items. These massive Palmolives for $2.47. And then I would love to see some digital coupons attaching to the Febreze, but I could not get them to attach. $2.74 for the double pack and $1.50 for that single. And then Airwick, as the week progresses, I would love to see $1.50 digital for this one, but right now it's $2.25, still kind of rich for this girl. And then we have a double pack of these Glade candles for $3.25, and those actually smell really nice. Personal care, this category do love. We have the Dial body wash, and these are going to be freebies or a little bit of overage, like 45 cents with a 3 off 2 at stores that give overage. They are non-updated stores, but most stores that are updated, you're just going to get them for free with this digital coupon. Now we have the Bic Click Soleil at 50% off, and subtracting that $2 digital, it's going to be 42 cents. A fabulous exfoliant body wash. So you're going to grab 2 of them for $3.75, subtracting that 3 off of 2, 75 cents for 2 caresses. Shut up, that's a deal. Using this $2 digital for this Colgate Fancy, it's going to be 70 cents. You tell me if that's a good deal or not. We have the extra fancy Colgate using the $3 digital. This would drop it down to 62 cents. You'd have the whitest teeth ever. And then we have a couple free Crest. This is the Gum Restore. This would just shake it out to a little bit of overage or free, depending if you have an updated or non-updated store. And the same story with the Crest 3D White Charcoal. It's a different digital coupon. It's not a gum one. And then using this Dollar General coupon for the little Suave deodorant, that's 17 cents, not too shabby. And 12 cents for this 6-pack of the bar soap, also a very solid deal. Now, using this other digital coupon, it would be free for these Suave body washes and a tiny bit of overage at 82 cents. And then these more expensive one will be 67 cents. So not a bad little dealio. The Caress double pack of the bar soap would be $1.22. Unfortunately, that 3 off 2 digital is not attaching to the bar soap, these ones. The Poise one would be $3.47. Unfortunately, guys, no digital coupons as the recording of this video. And the Dove body wash, so after that $2 digital, it's $1.35. I think most of you would pounce on that deal. The more fancier Dove Body Love line, after this digital coupon, it is $1.07, also a really fabulous price point. And the Always Maxis with the dollar digital is $1.57. That is a very, very good price point, and I definitely stock up on those. We have the Eucerin for $1.65. If some digital coupons show up, that possibly can make it really cheap. We'll have to wait and see. And the Gillette Foamy for $1.22. And we have this Magic Shaving Powder. Every store I stopped at saw a lot of them, and that would be $2.25. The Schwarzkopf Hairspray for $2.70. And the Olay Body Wash, if you buy 2 of them, it would be $2.85. We have a 5 off of 2 digital coupon that is attaching, so this is the one that you're going to want to load for the Olay fancier body wash, so that lavender one in the center. Alternatively, if you find these ones with retinol or magic, $2.85 for the 2, a very solid deal. That shakes out to $1.42 per body wash with the 5 off 2 digital. I think most of us would probably scoop that one up with a big shovel. Alternatively, if you want the men's, grab 3 of the Irish Spring. Using the 5 off 3 digital, it would be $3.77 for the 3 or $1.25 per. And we have the Kids Hello toothpaste. So down to $2, subtracting that dollar digital, you're paying $1 for a toothpaste that was on clearance for $4. Grabbing 2 of these Herbal Essence, the white grapefruit and mint for $6.55, subtracting that $4 coupon, you're paying $2.55 for the 2. And the Dove hand wash, subtracting that dollar digital, it's 87 cents, and that's a massive container of hand soap. And the Listerine at $3.57. If you have like a Peely coupon or something, throw it in. But $3.57, good price. Now let's talk specifically about food, the last category. We have the Blue Diamond crackers for $1.82, and then the Planters nuts for $2.12. Chocolates, the Russell Stouffer's assorted for $2.12, and then the Cadbury Dairy Bar for $1.12, I believe. And then we have more hot chocolate. I know that was a penny item for many of us, but many of us didn't get it. So $1.12 or $1.95 for the Coffee Mate. And Ghirardelli, the little chocolate chips for $1.80 or $1.82 for more of the Blue Diamond crackers. I just can't get enough of those. And then the bagged treats, the popcorn or the Ritz Toasties for $1.77 or $2. Okay, and now we have these Kool-Aid gels for 45 cents. A really good treat for the kiddos out there. And then we have these M&M treats for $2.03. I think there's some sort of like coupon, like buy $10, get $2 off. If that's your favorite thing, by all means, go for it. And then we have the Green Mountain half caffeine for $4.27. 2 non-food items that kind of caught my attention. We have this little snackies thing for $3.75. I just think it's fun. And then we also have this Play-Doh for $1.75. Also kind of a cool little item. Okay, guys, that's it for this video. Definitely grab screenshots of some of my slides. I know that went really fast in this video. But that's it. And please like this video. We'll catch you in the next one. Bye.